Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Studylecture. Today we see important question about general science. देखिए today's first question, which of the following statement is correct? First statement, backlight is a good conductor of heat. Second statement, backlight is a poor conductor of electricity. Third statement, backlight can be softened by heating. First we see characteristics of backlight. Backlight can be molded very quickly, decreasing production of time. Backlight is an insulator, it is very bad conductor and it has very high internal resistance. It is a bad conductor of electricity. They are thermosetting plastic and cannot be softened by heating. Again now see statement, backlight is a good conductor of heat. This is incorrect. Next, backlight is a poor conductor of electricity. This is correct. Third statement, backlight can be softened by heating. Now you see backlight cannot be softened by heating. So right answer option C, only B is correct. Now see next question, which of the following can be beaten and converted into thin sheet? Option A zinc, option B phosphorus, option C sulfur and option D oxygen. Right answer option C zinc. Now see uses of phosphorus. White phosphorus is used in smoke, illumination and is commonly the burning element of tracker ammunition. Red phosphorus has been used in matches box. Now see use of sulfur. Sulfur is used in black gunpowder, matches and firework. The most important sulfur compound in sulfuric acid. Now see next question. Which of the statement about the reaction given below is incorrect? 2 PbO plus C after reaction find 2 Pb plus CO2. Statement 1, lead that is Pb is getting reduced. Statement 2, carbon C is getting reduced. Statement 3, lead oxide that is PbO is getting reduced. First we see what is oxidation and reduction. A reaction in which oxygen is added to and hydrogen is removed from a compound is called oxidation. Similar, a chemical reaction in which hydrogen is added to or oxygen is removed from a compound is reduction. Now see statement 1. Here lead Pb is getting reduced. This is incorrect. Carbon C is getting reduced. This is incorrect. Lead oxide that is PbO getting reduced. Here PbO is getting reduced. So only option 3 is correct. But in this question say which of the statement about the reaction given below is incorrect. So statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. So option A is correct. Only 1 and 2. Now see next question. If an atom has atomic number 10, mass number 23, then what will be the number of proton and neutron in an atom respectively? Option A, number of proton 10 and number of neutron 10. Option B, number of proton 10, number of neutron 23. Option 3, number of proton 13, neutron 10. Option D, number of proton 10 and number of neutron 13. We know atomic number equal number of proton. Here atomic number 10, so number of proton equal 10. Mass number equal number of proton plus number of neutron. Here number of proton 10, so therefore number of neutron 23 minus 10 equal 13. Here number of proton and neutron are 10 and 13. Option D is correct. Now see next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Alkaline are fairly unreactive. Next statement, alkaline burn with blue flame. Third statement, alkaline burn with yellow flame. First we see characteristics of alkaline. Alkaline are more reactive due to the properties of carbon and carbon bond. When alkaline are born in an atmosphere, then it's rich in oxygen, and if the temperature is high, then the alkaline born giving CO2 and H2O. Alkaline do not born with blue flame and alkaline do not born with yellow flame. Now see statement. See first statement, alkaline are fairly unreactive. Alkaline are born with blue flame. Alkaline born with yellow flame. First statement, alkaline are fairly reactive. This is incorrect. Alkaline born with blue flame. Alkaline do not born with blue flame and alkaline do not born with yellow flame. So statement 1, 2, 3 are incorrect. So option D are correct. All 1, 2, 3. Next question. Which of the following statement are correct? Ethanol is a good solvent for organic compound. Next statement. Boiling and melting point of ethanol are low with respect to water. Third statement. Ethanol is used to tin structure iodine. Now see about ethanol. Ethanol is a good solvent for organic compound. Boiling and melting point of ethanol are very low with respect to water. And third, ethanol is used in tin structure of iodine. Now see statement. Statement 1 say ethanol is a good solvent for organic compound. This statement is correct. Next statement, boiling and melting point of ethanol are low with respect to water. This is correct. Ethanol is used to tin structure of iodine. So option D, that is all 1, 2, 3 statement are correct. Now see next question. If the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth is g, then the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of planet whose mass is same as the earth and the radius is half of the earth is dash. Option A 2g, option B g by 4, option C g by 2, option D 4g. So right answer option D 4g. Now see reason. If the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth is g, then the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of planet whose mass is same as that of earth and the radius is half, then the earth is 4g. Now see next question. The relative density of a substance is the dash. Option A ratio of its density to density of water. Option B ratio of density of water to its density. Option C product of density of water to its density. Option D ratio of volume of water to its volume. So right answer option A ratio of its density to the density of water. Now see next question. What is inertia? Inertia is a property of matter that causes it to restrict change in velocity, that is speed and or its direction. So option A is correct. Tendency to restrict change in the current state. Now see next question. Why does a fountain pen leak in airplane flying at a height? Option A because of reduced viscosity of the ink in the pen. Option B because of increased viscosity of the ink in the pen. Option C because of higher atmospheric pressure outside the pen. Option D because of lower atmospheric pressure outside the pen. So option D is correct. Because of lower atmospheric pressure outside the pen. Now see reason. The atmospheric pressure decreases with altitude because gas molecule which make up the air concentration near the lower altitude in response to the Earth's gravity. Hence air pressure is lower at the higher altitude. Due to this difference in air pressure, the air inside the pen force ink to the come out. Now see next question. Which of the following statement is correct? First statement, acid are source test and generated H plus ion. Second statement, acid are source test generated OH minus ion. Third statement, base are better in test and generate OH minus ion. First we see what is acid and base. Acid is a substance that product hydrogen ion and only positive ion when mixed in water. Now see base. Base is a substance that product hydroxyl ion, that is OH minus ion, and only negative ion when mixed in water. Now see again statement, acid are sour in taste and generated H plus ion. This is correct. Next statement, acid are sour taste and generated OH minus ion. This is incorrect. Base are better in taste and generate OH minus ion. So statement 1 and 3 is correct. Option A is correct. Now see next question. Metal are generally dash. First, ductility. Second, malleability. Third, poor conductor of heat. Characteristics of metal. Metal are generally high electrical conductivity, high thermal conductivity, and high density. They are malleability, ductility. Option A only 1 and 2. Option B only 1 and 3. Option 3 only 2 and 3. Option D all of these. So now we see metal are malleability, ductility, conductor of heat but not poor conductor of heat. So option A, that is only 1 and 2 is correct. Now see next question. Which of the following statement acid is correct? First statement, they change the color of litmus to blue. Next statement, they change the color of blue litmus to red. They have pH value less than 7. Now say about acid. Acid can blue litmus paper to turn red and red litmus paper to turn blue by basic or alkaline condition. Acid have pH value less than 7. So here statement 2 and 3 is correct. So option B is correct. Now see next question. In which of the following is nylon is used? Sleeping bag, next parachute, third toothbrush. Option D, all options are correct. So all options are correct. Now see about nylon. Nylon is highly strength fiber. It is used for making fishing net, ropes, parachutes and type cords, forming fibers in a textile industries. It is used as a plastic for making machine parts. It is also blended with wool to increase the strength. Now see next question. What is the pH value of milk? Option A, slightly acidic. Option B, slightly basic. Option C, highly acidic. Option D, highly basic. So option A, slightly acidic is correct. Milk has pH of around 6.5 to 6.7. So which makes it slightly acidic. Now see next question. The rhythm construction of the lining of the muscle of canal tube pushing the food along the gut is called this. Option A, peristalsis. Option B, fertilization. Option D, glutation. Option D, no option is correct. So option A, peristalsis is correct. Now say about peristalsis. Peristalsis is a particular wave-like kind of muscle construction because its purpose is to move solid or liquid along with the tube-like structure of the digestive and urinary tract. Now see next question. Gaseous exchange takes place in leaves through tiny pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. What are these pores? Option A, chloroplast. Option B, stomata. Option C, chlorophyll. Option D, vacuole. So right answer is option B, stomata is correct. Now see about stomata. Stomata are the microscopic opening or pores in the epidermis of leaves and young streams. Stomata are generally more numerous on the underside of leaves. They provide for the exchange of gas between the outside air and the branches system of interconnecting air canals with the leaves. Now see about next question. Other name of platelet is this. Option A leukocyte, option B erythrocyte, option C lymphocyte, option D thermocyte. So right answer option D thrombocyte. Platelet, also called thrombocyte, are the component of blood whose function is to stop bleeding by clotting blood vessel injury. Now see next question. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Option A displacement, option B velocity, option C force, option D volume. Now see first what is vector quantity. A quantity which having both magnitude and direction is called vector quantity. On the other hand, scalar quantity which have only magnitude not direction is called scalar quantity. Example of vector quantity: displacement, velocity, force. These are vector quantity, and volume, this is scalar quantity. So option D volume is correct. Now see next question. A pendulum clock can run faster in days. Option A summer, option B winter, option C spring, option D rain season. So right answer winter season. Because in winter the length of the pendulum or the swing becomes smaller due to contraction and the clock begins to run fast. The principal reason why it is better to have two eyes than one eye is that option A, by having two eyes we can distinguish color easily. Option B, by having two eyes we can easily see in the dark as well as in dim light. Option C, it gives a man a type of vision known as mesic vision. Option D, it enhances distance and depth precipitation in us. So the right answer option D is correct. Next question. Direct view of the sun during a total solar eclipse causes irreversible damage to eye. The retinal burn in causes by which of the following component of the sun ray? So option A heat, option B rainbow light, option C ultraviolet light, option D infrared light. So right answer is option C ultraviolet light. Now see next question. The sun and moon appear elliptical near the horizontal because of option A refraction, option B optical illustration, option C interference phenomena, option D their actual shape. So right answer refraction. Now see next question. Photosynthesis using the invisible part of the sunlight is done by some days. Option A trees, option B bacteria, option C algae, option D fungus. So right answer bacteria. Now see about bacteria. The bacteria which are found at 400 to 8000 feet in deep sea. For example, green sulfur bacteria uses infrared radiation for the photosynthesis to produce energy. Now see next question. In a car battery, electrolyte substance used in option A hydrochloric acid, option B sulfuric acid, option C nitric acid, option D distilled water. So right answer sulfuric acid. Electrolyte substance used in battery is sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. It is a strong acid. Now see next question. Milk openly placed for some time becomes sour due to option A carbonic acid, option B lactic acid, option C critic acid, option D acetic acid. So right answer lactic acid. Now see next question. Why do the desert plants take up the carbon dioxide for their photosynthesis at night? Option A to prevent water loss, Option B, to enhance carbon absorption. Option C, to release excess oxygen. Option D, no option is correct. So right answer option A, to prevent water loss. Now see next question. By which process substance like carbon dioxide or oxygen can move across the cell membrane? Option A, plasmolysis. Option B, sedimentation. Option C, diffusion. Option D, transpiration. So right answer option C, diffusion. Next question. The transport of soluble product of photosynthesis is called option A, transpiration. Option B, translocation. Option C, transportation. Option D, concentration. So right answer translocation. The transport of soluble product of photosynthesis is called translocation and it occurs in the part of the vascular tissue. Last question. Which feature of the cell allow or permit the enter and exit of some material in and out of the cell? Option A, cytoplasm. Option B, protoplasm. Option C, cell. Option D, plasma membrane. So right answer option B, protoplasm.